Hello, guys, and welcome to another DIY. Okay, so today, if you can remember, I actually made this, and then the material is old and dirty, so I just wanted to give it a little touch up. Okay, so I'm just bringing out all the material out, and this is the under part. Okay, so I'll be screwing out all the screws I use, bringing it all out. So if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are my return subscriber, I really appreciate you. If you're new return subscribers, please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment for me in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. And let's go. Okay, so this was the board on it. So I'll be using my white spray pen to spray paint it because I want to make it more finer. Okay, so I'll go spray paint it, let it dry, and then I'll show it to you. So it's dried, and then this is it. And happy new year to you guys. Happy 2025. I hope it's a better year for all of us. I hope it's the year of my monetization, please. Finally. So okay, so let's just get into it. So I'm using this Victra gum to apply it, because also using this gold stripe. So I've applied gum already on it and it's dried, so I'm just going to let the board dry off, and then when the board is dry, then we'll come and put in the gold stripe. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so I'll be using this hairy material that I had it for a while. What did I do with it? I made a sofa with it, but it was old, and then I disposed it. So I'm just going to use the material to cover this up. Okay, so I'm just taking it all around to measure the quantity I'm going to be using. Okay, so I think that place will do, so I'm just going to cut it out. Okay, and then let's go. So because I gave somebody my staple gun, staple gun, so they haven't brought it back, and but I'm waiting. So and I couldn't wait. I just needed to continue the video, so I'll be using my hot glue gun to start with it until it gets here. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Okay, guys, let me share something with you. There's this man. I actually we actually gave him a job to do, and then he has been failing. When he came, he told me like the work would just last for like highest a week. So we gave him the work. He came. It's so far that so far we just wanted to like change it, and then change the materials, and then he came, left the work. He didn't. Okay, so my staple pin is here, and then I'll be using it to follow it up. He came, we gave him the work, and my God, he hasn't done it. So this is actually dried, and then I'll be putting the gold tape around it. So as I was saying, he came and then he left the job for getting to 3 weeks. Like it was making me have sleepless night. I couldn't sleep. I tried everything. So we had to just involve the security agent to just come and I don't know, just talk to him. And then when they came, me, I know that man. The man they disappoint like no tomorrow. I told them, if this man go like this, people will not see him. And the irony of it is not even a child, it's an elderly person. So when the security agent came, he like collected his phone, and then because he wanted him to do the work, he told him that no wahala, if you do not do the work, ma, even the money we have given you, you shouldn't bother. So I'm using these scissors to just make sure everything is in place, and then I'm cutting the extra. He told him that, oh yeah, no wahala now. If he doesn't even do it, his phone is with us. We are not there. He's not giving him the phone. And then he left. Now, guys, do you know that I didn't even see him the whole of. He left. He was like, okay, so I'm removing this leather from it. He left. He was like, he's going to come back. That was how he didn't come back. Up to the next day. Now, the next day, as early as 8:30, he has never come around that time. He hasn't, never. He came as early as 8:30. Came, and this is something that if he had wanted to do this work, like I know 2 days is enough for him. He would have finished this work, and it's not something that will even take time. And then he came and then he started doing the job. Why he's doing this? Why he came? While I feel he came is because of his phone that's just with us. And then 2 days, my guy don't finish work. Sometimes all these people, you just keep frustrating people and making people just go extra mile on things you can actually just do to save stress. And but I felt bad, sha, but Hausa used to say, kunya mara kunya asara ne. Person wey no shame for you, no shame for am. Yes. So he's an elderly person. I respected him, but he didn't respect himself. And then we just had to go that extra mile just to get the work done. Okay, so this is the under, and then I'm also covering it again. And then I'm using my stapler to cover it. So please, if you have handwork and you're doing things, please just be professional about it and don't make stress people up and down. If you cannot do it, if you have work, because he kept on insisting that it's because he had work other places. That was why he was unable to come and do it. If you know you were busy, you cannot do it, tell me. So that I can look for somebody else to come and do the work. It's not as if they will give you something and then you just disappear like that, as if, and then just spoil your reputation. Okay, so I'm just measuring it. I'm using this glue gun to just gum it before I screw it so that it will stay in place. So I'm sorry I lost the video where the part where I had to screw it, but after gumming this, I screwed it, and then before putting the under part and the legs. So if you are still here, guys, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And then it came out really nice. I'm putting the legs, and then please don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, and happy new year to you guys once again.